What do I do if my vacuum cleaner light is on, but there's no power? Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar. We're gonna show you one of the really nice features about a Riccar R27 vacuum cleaner. Both models have this feature. It's a really high-end feature, and that is a thermal reset. It protects your investment. When you buy a vacuum from us, we want you to own it for a long time, and we don't want a clog or an obstruction to be the reason a motor might burn up. So we put in something called a thermal reset. In this situation, this vacuum, the light is on here, but it's not turning on. So we know something's caused it to overload and shut off. We're gonna show you how to fix that. On the back of the vacuum cleaner here, there's something called a thermal reset. Some instructions, basic stuff, and there's a little button right here. Doesn't take much to reset it, so we're gonna go ahead and hit reset and you'll hear the vacuum turn on. So now I've just got my keys in my pocket, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take those. I'm gonna push the reset button and you'll hear the vacuum turn on. So now that we've reset the vacuum, the light is not on for it being clogged. We know that we're ready to use it, and you can use your vacuum again. Happy vacuuming.